Hi, my name is Leon and this is part 2 of remaking Minecraft Dungeons in Unity. In the last video, I went over how I made the player movement by using nav meshes and arrays. Today I'm going to go over how I make the enemies for the game. When making the enemy's movement script, it was essentially the same as making the player's movement script. By getting the player's position and telling the enemy to move to the X, Y and Z, it would make the enemy move towards the player. Also, I could use the player's position and get the direction of the player from where the enemy was and make it move away from the player. To toggle when to stop moving towards the player, there is a trigger around all the enemies, and if the player hits the trigger, it will set player is near to true, allowing the enemy to move towards the player. This was implemented because we don't want the enemies always moving towards the player, even when you can't see the enemy or they can't see you. To get this to stop working, you need at least 3 variables. The first one is called player is near, which is a bool. The second one you need is a nav mesh agent, and the last one is the player game object. By using the 3 variables I gave you, you can replicate the code I made for this remake. This is the end of the video. In part 3, I'm going to go over modeling, the characters and the weapons. Please like and subscribe for more content. Part 3 will be coming soon, and if you don't want to miss it, hit the bell icon. Bye.